Bail application of Madhav Khattar was heard by the JMFC Vasco today. It was for arguments today in the afternoon session. By 5 o'clock we are expecting an order, and it is already passed by 5:30. The application has been allowed with certain conditions, 10,000 surety. The rest of the conditions I am still not exactly aware because the order is not yet uploaded. But I'll be coming to know the order by tomorrow morning, exactly precisely what is the order, and the rest of the formalities would be completed by us by tomorrow.
Something about the arguments?
As far as our arguments were concerned, our basic contentions were that he was arrested from Dehradun and he travelled from Dehradun to Goa without being produced before the magistrate. So he was not produced within a time period of 24 hours. That was the first contention. The second contention basically was that there is a requirement as per law that a notice has to be given before either you could arrest a person in offences which are punishable up to less than 7 years. So that is not that was not complied with by the police. So there was non-compliance of a very strict procedure of law basically. So that was another contention that was very seriously raised by us. And otherwise, Madhav was an 18-year-old boy. The police came up with a version that it was Madhav who wrote the speech for Gautam, which Gautam ultimately spoke. But during investigation, again it is come very clear that speech was written by Gautam himself and spoken by Gautam. So there is absolutely no any evidence as against Madhav in the present offence. And I am happy that his bail application comes to be granted today itself.
Need IT spares, speakers, or telecom products in Goa? Come to Sri Gopal Krishna Electronics, your trusted partner for quality computer peripherals and business communication solutions. From reliable IT spares to powerful speakers and telecom gear, we have all your office or home setup needs. All types of CCTV camera and laptop parts available in wholesale. Sri Gopal Krishna Electronics Shop number 30, opposite Ader Showroom, Gogol, Margao, Goa.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.